If you are looking for a way to clean up the signal getting into one of your cables, you're finding you're getting different noises, EMI and RFI noises into your cables, whether you're recording audio or having just weird glitches with cables, look at these guys. These guys are the 24-pack of ferrite beads right here. You've got the 13mm, the 9mm, the 3.5mm, and the 7mm. That's the sizes they fit, and also the 5mm right here. And these guys actually go on the cable, and they help get rid of some of that noise. So check this out. I'm actually going to put one of these on this cable. I was noticing I was getting some weird sounds in this cable when I was using it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply this to this cable. So what you do is you end up opening it up here, and then you put one of these beads, you just go ahead and you sandwich it around the cable there, and it clips together just like that. I want to make sure I get those clips down real quick. Oh, I'm totally missing the clips. That's why. There we go. All right, so I've got that clipped on here, and I'm going to take another one, put it on the other end just for good measure here. And let's see here. All right there. And let's go ahead, clip that down. Boom. All right. Now when I use this cable next, it's going to have a much cleaner signal because I was having tons of noise get picked up when I ran this over like power or anything like that. So if you're in the market for cleaning up some noise, these things are great. They have varying sizes. This size worked for this cable. They have smaller sizes too that work for smaller cables. So if you're in the market, I think these things are fantastic and I highly recommend them.